Hi guys, I'm going to talk to you today about how you can successfully heal your eczema eating a clean diet. This is a video for anybody interested in essentially healing their eczema from the root causes as opposed to covering up the symptoms with more topical treatments, steroids and creams, drugs, and other things that mask the root problem, which is essentially a poor diet. So in this video I want to cover three things, essentially what the diet is that is going to help you recover, how to follow it properly and things to be careful of, and number three, how to get good at it so that you can heal your eczema effortlessly. So what is the diet? The diet is essentially a whole foods plant-based diet. So this looks like eating whole grains and potatoes, rice and beans, oatmeal, cereals, whole grain pastas and soups and stews, and fruits and vegetables, hummuses and veggies. These are the types of foods that I eat on a day in and day out basis. You can see my shelf back here. Basically, fruits, vegetables, grains, beans, nuts, seeds, and avocados. You will be a rock star. You will heal your skin. You will heal any other health issues you might have eating this diet. If you want more info on the diet, check out forksoverknives.com. Now, the second thing that I want to preface, because this is a lifestyle and it takes a long time to heal the skin, it's constantly, I'm modifying as I go. Yes, I still eat this clean vegan diet, but sometimes I'll take certain things out and put certain things back in. I ate peanut butter the other day and I've been eating peanut butter for a couple of weeks now. I recently took it out of my diet and I noticed things get a lot better. My hands were not healing as quickly as I would have liked them to, and now they're healing a lot better now that I took out the peanut butter. So now I'm also trying to take out some other nuts and see how that goes. In my honest opinion, I think all whole plant foods have the potential to heal us, but certain things are more likely to cause problems. Things like peanuts, things like gluten, and things like anything you might be allergic to. I'm allergic to walnuts, so I don't eat them. Third thing, how to be successful at this diet, how to be successful at healing your eczema long term, you have to stick to it. Now, sticking to it is a lot easier said than done. It essentially comes down to practice makes perfect. This is just like anything that you do in life, whether it's your career, it's a sport, you know, it takes many years to get good and diligent at a sport, a hobby, a language, anything that you would dedicate your time to getting better at, to learning the techniques and to performing them, you're gonna suck in the beginning. You're not gonna be good, and it's gonna be a lot of learning until you get to the point where you can practice it like it's second nature. You can just do it. How does this apply to the diet? Essentially, the first 6 months I was practicing it, I spent a lot of money on shopping for food because I didn't know what to cook, what I liked eating. I spent a lot of time cooking in the kitchen, and I also spent a lot of time messing up and eating out and maybe eating the wrong snacks and things like that. So it took me about 6 months to get really good at cooking, getting a good diversity of recipes, which right now it's about 7 recipes that I really love to make and eat. Shopping, both, you know, cost and time, and of course eating enough food so that I'm satisfied, that I can have proper energy levels, and I can have proper nutrition. Now, what does this look like? What does it look like the practice makes perfect? Eventually, after a lot of practice of doing the diet, shopping for the food, and preparing the food, it will become a routine and you will get good at it. And this is just like stretching for me. I am the most unlimber, stiff person in the world. And I can go down into a full deep squat now after 2 months of practice. And that took 2 months. Now, if you're even more diligent, it can be probably 1 month. If you apply this to the cooking, sure, it took me 6 months to get good at it. I would imagine I could do it in 3 months. It essentially comes down to practice makes perfect. So I hope that helps you guys. I hope it helps you speed up your recovery and start getting really good at taking care of yourself so that your body can heal. Have a great day.